You wake up, roll over, and immediately check your phone. The flood of notifications starts your day in chaos before your feet even touch the floor. Sound familiar? Most of us live like this, reacting from the moment we open our eyes. But what if the first 90 minutes of your day determine everything? Your productivity, your mood, your mindset. That's not motivational fluff. It's backed by neuroscience. When you wake up, your brain is in a unique state. It shifts from delta to theta to alpha waves, a mix of sleep and wakefulness. This brain state is your optimal window for resetting your subconscious. And yet most of us waste it. The first thing you do in the morning tells your brain what matters. If you grab your phone, you train your brain to seek distraction. If you start with intention, you set your brain up for focus. Your brain is flooded with cortisol within 30 minutes of waking. This is natural. It's designed to energize you. But if you spike it further with social media, emails, and stress, you overload your system before the day even starts. Instead, you can harness that cortisol surge. Use it to move. Even a short walk, a few stretches, or 5 minutes of sunlight can reset your circadian rhythm. Exposure to natural light in the morning increases serotonin, and that boosts your mood, focus, and sleep later. Hydration is another often forgotten key. Your brain is mostly water. After 6 to 8 hours without it, dehydration hits hard. Before coffee, drink a full glass of water. It wakes up your cells and improves alertness almost instantly. Now, let's talk about mental priming. Journaling, gratitude, even 2 to 3 minutes of reflection can shift your entire mindset. Your brain naturally scans for danger and problems. It's wired for survival. But when you start your day by scanning for things you're grateful for, you change your brain's filter. You begin to notice opportunity instead of obstacles. Another powerful tool? Breath work. Slowing your breath slows your mind. Just 60 seconds of deep, intentional breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system. That means less stress, more calm, and clearer thinking. And yes, movement matters. You don't need a full gym session. Just 10 to 20 minutes of exercise boosts endorphins and brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain. It sharpens memory, focus, and learning. Now comes the decision point. Input or output? Most people start their day consuming news, social media, other people's agendas. But successful people flip it. They create before they consume. They write, they plan, they reflect. They focus on output before input. Your willpower is highest in the morning. This is the golden window for deep work, goal setting, or creative thinking. If you use it for distractions, it's gone. But if you use it for your goals, your entire day shifts. There's also a hidden benefit to a morning routine: habit stacking. When you link small actions together, like wake up, drink water, stretch, breathe, you create a chain. And over time, that chain becomes automatic. That's how habits are formed, not through willpower, but through systems. Let's break down a science-backed 30-minute morning routine. Minute 1 to 5, wake up and hydrate. No phone, just a tall glass of water. Minute 5 to 10, light movement, stretching, walking, or light yoga. Minute 10 to 15, breath work or meditation. Just focus on your breath. Minute 15-20, gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. Minute 20 to 30, goal review or creative work. This isn't about perfection. It's about direction. You're priming your brain to serve you, not distract you. People often ask, do I have to wake up at 5 a.m. to win the day? The answer is no. It's not about the hour. It's about the intention. You can win your morning at 5 a.m. or 9 a.m. What matters is what you do with those first 30 minutes. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity. Your brain is moldable. It rewires based on what you repeat. A chaotic morning leads to a chaotic brain, but a grounded, intentional morning creates structure and focus. And don't underestimate momentum. A positive start builds confidence. That confidence drives action. That action creates results. It becomes a loop. And it all starts before breakfast. If your mornings feel rushed or reactive, start small. Pick just one habit: water, breath work, light, or movement. Make it consistent, then add another. and watch your day begin to change. People who win the morning often win the day. Not because of motivation, because of design. They've built a system that works with their brain, not against it. This isn't a hack. It's neuroscience. It's how your biology responds to rhythm, light, movement, and thought. And when you use it intentionally, your focus improves, your stress decreases, and your mindset shifts. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. You just need to own your first 30 minutes. That's where the shift begins. The world pulls at your attention the second you wake up. But you get to choose where your attention goes. You get to design the first chapter of your day. And when you do, the rest of the story changes. Rewiring your brain doesn't require a miracle. Just a morning, one quiet, focused, intentional morning. Repeat it enough times to become who you are. If this inspired you, share it with someone who needs a better start. And tomorrow, before the world demands your attention, give it to yourself.